So good afternoon everyone, good afternoon once again. I've already waited for around 5 minutes, so we will start with the minute. Okay, so tell me that we haven't studied this chapter in this year, right? We have studied this last year, right? Right everyone? Just let me know. Yes? Okay, so we'll revise this chapter, we'll study this chapter once again this year. Okay. So those who are new students, don't worry, we will start from the very basic. Okay. My voice is low. I'm speaking low, I guess, Sanjana. Is it fine? Tell me, is it fine? Or this is fine? Tell me. This is fine? Okay. Okay, everyone. So we'll start with permutation and combination, right? Now, what is the meaning of permutation and combination, right? So we will start with, right? We will start with a basic term called as computing or fundamental principle of counting or just counting. Fundamental principle of counting. Of counting, right? Now, because when you talk about permutation combination, what are permutation combination? They're nothing but they are just different ways of counting. Okay, right? Having some arrangement or selection, it's just counting only. Now, when we talk about fundamental principle of counting, what's the meaning of fundamental principle of counting? What does that mean? Okay, so let us suppose we have two cases, right? We have two cases. Okay, suppose one case is buying a, suppose, t-shirt. Okay, right? You have 5 different type of t-shirts. Suppose you went to a shop and you have 5 different type of t-shirts. Okay, 5 different type of t-shirts, right? Now tell me, if you have to buy one t-shirt, how many options do we have? Just think about this. If you have to buy one t-shirt, how many options do you have? Yes, easy, right? It's only 5 options, right? No issues as such. Okay, now suppose you have next case, right? This is event 1, right? I'm just saying it as event 1. Now I'm having event 2, in which you have to buy a short also, right? Buy a short also or jeans also. Okay, now we have 4 different type of jeans. 4 different type of jeans. Okay, now my question would be, right, if you have to buy a t-shirt and jeans, how many options do we have? Think about it and let me know. Think about it and let me know. A t-shirt and jeans. You have to buy one t-shirt and one jeans. Okay, so how many options do we have? Yes, very good Pragna, very good Jaita, very good Suhan. Yes, Ananya, very good. So we will have 20 options, right? Because for t-shirt we have 5 options, and for each option we have 4 options of jeans, right? So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give me 20, or I can say that 5 into 4 will give me 20, right? Because I have to buy both t-shirt and jeans, right? Okay, both t-shirt and jeans. Shanti Ankit, just think about it, right? Suppose you buy one t-shirt. How many jeans you can buy, right? What is the option of number of jeans? Obviously, you have to buy one jeans, but what is the option? 4. So for first t-shirt, you have 4 options. For second t-shirt, again 4 options. Third t-shirt, again 4 options, right? Fourth t-shirt, fifth t-shirt. Okay, so that is also 4 into 5. Okay, so whenever we have and, right, we will use multiply. We will use multiply. Okay, right? So it is called as principle or rule of multiplication. Rule of multiplication. Okay, everyone? Means suppose we have event E1. Event E1 having n ways. N ways. And event E2. Event E2 having m ways. M ways. Right? So number of ways event E1 and E2 can occur, right? Tell me, will be what? N1 into, sorry, N into M. Okay, got it everyone? Tell me, got it? Yes. Right everyone? So this is the rule of multiplication. Now suppose I ask you this, you have to select either t-shirt or jeans. Then tell me, you have to select either t-shirt or jeans. Then, yes, very good everyone. Then you have 9 options, very good, because you are selecting either t-shirt or jeans. So here you are adding them, right everyone? Are you getting the point? Because you are not selecting both, you are selecting only one. So you can either select jeans or can select t-shirt, right everyone? Yes. So this is called as rule of addition. Rule of addition. Okay. So, right, if E1 or E2 occur, means any of the two, right, then we will use plus, right, or we will add. So it will be M plus N. Okay, everyone, tell me. Now, in this chapter, forget about the formulas, okay? You have to be very clear about your counting, your basics, your intuition, okay? Right? Even if you don't remember the formulas, it's fine. You can solve every problem without using formula, okay? Just by using your intuition. Now, next prerequisite thing is something called factorial. Factorial, right? So what is a factorial? Factorial is nothing but product of n natural number. Product of n numbers, right? For example, if I'm saying 5 factorial, it means it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. If I'm saying 6 factorial, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Okay, so can I write 5 factorial, sorry, 6 factorial, 5 factorial into 6? Tell me, can I write like this? Can I write like this? Okay, very good. Because factorial is nothing but product. Now tell me, 7 factorial minus 4 factorial. Can I write it as 3 factorial? 7 factorial minus 3 factorial. Can I write as 3 factorial? Tell me yes or no? No, yes. We cannot write it as 3 factorial. Okay, don't do that because factorial is a different operation. Because when you talk about 7 factorial, it is what? It is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. Think about this, right? And what is 4 factorial? 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Now, see this. 1 into 2 into 4, 1 into 2 into 4, 3 into 4 can be taken as common. So 4 factorial is taken as common. This is what? 5 into 6 into 7 minus 1. Now, do you think that this is equal to 3 factorial? Will this be equal to 3 factorial? No, a big no, right? So you should not do this. Okay, you should never do this, right? And 4, 7 minus 4 whole factorial. This is equal to 3 factorial, right? But it is not equal to 7 factorial minus 4 factorial. Are you getting the point? Tell me, are you getting the point? Because this is a mistake that many students do. Okay, got it everyone? Tell me, got it? Okay, right? Now let's see. Let's see. Now, when we talk about permutation and combination, the first thing that we should know, we should learn is fundamental principle of counting, just how to count as simple as that, right? So we can have counting either, right, as addition or multiplication. Okay, now just suppose if we have two events, as I said, two events which can occur together, right? Then we will use multiplication. But if we have two events, right, which is occurring, right, one at a time, okay, which is occurring one at a time, means either or, then we will use the concept of or the principle of addition. For example, right, for example, just think about this. Okay, suppose we have three pants, P1, P2, P3, three pants and two shirts. How many possibilities do we have? Suppose you have three pant and two shirt. You have to wear pant and shirt, obviously, right? Then tell me, how many type of options do you have, right? How many different type of looks you can have? Think about it. It is easy, right? Yes, very good. Yes, everyone. So if you see this, right, either you can wear pant one, then you have options, shirt one, shirt two, pant two, again same option, shirt one, shirt two, pant three, again same option, shirt one, shirt two. So if you see, the total number of option is 6, which is 3 into 2, 6. Got it, everyone? Got it? Now see this. Suppose we have this, right? We have two school bags, B1, B2, right? Okay. Then three tiffin box, T1, T2, T3, and two water bottle, W1, W2. Then tell me in how many ways it can be arranged? Two school bag, two school bag, three tiffin, two water bottle. Yes. So I can see that this rule is not limited to only two events. It can be extended to any events, any number of events. It will keep on multiplying. Right, everyone? Preeti, are you getting? Maurya, Prahlad, Neha, Pragna, Shanti, Yashika, Harshan, Pravalika is here. Okay, very good. Right? Now see this, right? First, either choose bag 1, bag 2. Now if you choose bag, then you can choose tiffin. Tiffin 1, tiffin 2, tiffin 3, or tiffin 1, tiffin 2, tiffin 3. Now after choosing tiffin, you will choose water bottle. Water bottle 1, water bottle 2, right? And you will have 12 possibilities. So I hope all of you are getting the concept of fundamental principle of counting. Yes, everyone? Okay? Okay. So see, this is the statement of fundamental principle of counting. It means when an event or more than one event, which can occur in m or n ways, occur together, right? Means both will occur, right? Then you have to multiply the number of ways, okay, right? Now see this, see this. We have 4-letter word, right? Now tell me, find the number of words which can be formed from this word, rose. Tell me, 4-letter word. Tell me, everyone think about it and let me know. Okay, now Think about this again without any formula. This chapter is like the only chapter which doesn't have any formula if you think, okay, or you can derive the formulas. So we have four little words, so we have four boxes, just think like this. We have four boxes, yes, right everyone? Now four boxes, we have four boxes. Now in first box, right, how many options do we have? In first box, how many options do we have? Just think about this. Four. See, it is also said that repetition is not allowed. It is also said that it is not allowed. So four. Now you put one word here. Then how many words are left? Tell me, how many words are left? Three. So for second box, how many words? Three. Then again two words left. For third, two. And this last one. And you have to fill this and this and this and this, right everyone? You have to fill all the four boxes, right? So the total number of ways is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Yes or no? This is equal to 4 factorial, right? Are you getting the concept? Are you getting the concept now? I hope all of you who have studied in last class, right, are refreshing your concepts. Okay. Now, if repetition would have allowed, right, if repetition would have allowed, then obviously it would have been 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, which is 256. Yes, right? Okay. Next, try solving this problem, everyone. Try solving this problem. Given four flags of different color, how many different signals can be generated if a signal required the use of two flags, okay, one below the other? Think about it. Think about it. How many vacant places do we have? How many vacant places do we have? How many flags do we have to take? Two only. Two vacant places. So for first, how many options do we have? Okay. Yes, very good, Jaita. Okay. So for first, yes, Kushagra, for first we have four options. And for second, yes, three options. So the answer would be 4 into 3. Very good. Very good, everyone. Right? Easy. The next question, everyone try to solve next question. How many two digits even numbers? Think about this. Two-digit even number. So how many boxes? Two boxes. Right? Two digits, so two boxes can be formed of these digits. Now, what is the condition of even digits? Tell me. Sorry, what is the condition of even number? What is the condition for even number? Yes. So I can say that the unit digit should be even, right? So unit digit have only how many options? Unit digit only have two options, right? Okay. Now this tens digit, now it can say that it can be repeated. It can be repeated, right? So this will have how many options? Five options because it can be repeated. So total is yes, 10. Very good. Very good, everyone. Right, very good. So it will have total of 10. Very good. Easy? Are you finding it easy? Tell me. Are you finding it easy? Next, see this. Find the number of different signals that can be generated by arranging at least, see this, at least two flags in order, okay, on a vertical staff. If five different flags are available, now think about this. Think about this. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay. Now the word here used is the concept which will make it different is at least. At least. Okay. Which means what? Yes, we need to solve cases. Means you can have either 2 flags or 3 flags or 4 flags or 5 flags. So when we had 2 flags, how many options? Then 3 flags, how many options? 4 flag, how many options? 5 flag, how many options? Then add all the options, right? Try to solve one by one. It should be different, right? It should be different. So think about that also. So for we have total 5 different colors. For 2 flag, we have how many options? 20 options. For 3 flag, how many options? Tell me. Yes, very good. For 3 flags, we will have 60 options. Very good. For 4 flags, 120 options. Very good. For 5 flags, tell me. 120 again. Very good. So total number of option is, right? Very good. Okay. Very good, everyone. So the answer is 320. Easy? Tell me. Easy? Everyone got this concept? Everyone got this concept? Tell me. Okay, very good. So you can solve this. You can solve 7.1, right? Now let's see one example. Okay, now try solving question number 4. Try solving question number 4. Okay, everyone try solving question number 4. Take your time and try solving question number 4.
Playing from desktop KCGQ79U.
Yes, very good. I'm getting answers. Okay, yes, very good. So let's see how many 5-digit telephone numbers. See, it is telephone numbers. So it doesn't matter if 0 is used at the first place or last place, doesn't matter. It is your telephone number, right? Now it is said that each number starts with 67. 5-digit number 1, right? This and this is fixed. 67 is fixed, right? Now tell me, for phone number, repetition can be allowed or not? Tell me. Here it is said that it cannot appear more than once, right? And 2 is already used. So for this, how many options? Tell me. This, how many options? 8 options. Very good. For this, 7 options. For this, 6 options, right? So 8 into 6 into 7. 6 into 7 into 8. That is your answer, which is, yes, 336. Got it, everyone? Because first is already fixed now. First is already fixed. Right, everyone? First and second is already fixed. Okay, got it? Got it, everyone? Very good. Right? Very good, everyone. Now see this. Everyone just have a look here. So when we talk about factorial, I hope all of you understood what is factorial, right? Let's solve some problems. Okay, I'll just now tell me. First one, 5 factorial minus 3 factorial, right? Fill in the blanks. 5 minus 3 factorial. Greater than, less than, equal to. Tell me. Greater than, no, I just discussed, right? It is greater than 5 minus 3 factorial. Okay, right? Right, everyone? Okay. Okay, Ben. So the next concept is permutation. So we will understand what is the meaning of permutation, right? So see, when we talk about permutation, what is permutation? So permutation is nothing but it is the number of ways of selecting anything as well as arranging that thing. Okay, selection plus arrangement. Are you getting my point? Right? We'll see with examples, but first you have to understand what is permutation. Permutation is number of ways in which you can select as well as arrange anything. Select as well as arrange anything. Okay, got it, everyone? Right? Select as well as arrange anything. Right? Now just think about this. Yeah, sorry, everyone. Yeah, think about this. Suppose you have 3 boxes, right? Suppose you have 3 boxes. Okay, or 3 shelf. Just take example of 3 shelf. Okay, 3 shelf, and you have 7 books. 7 books, right? Think about it. Now, you can keep only 1 book on 1 shelf. Okay, you can keep only 1 book on 1 shelf, right? Now tell me, for first shelf, how many options do we have? Tell me. For first shelf, how many options do we have? 7. Very good. So 7 options for first shelf. Second shelf, 6. Third shelf, 5. So you can say that, okay, so total number of ways without using formula, total number of ways in which we can select 3 books and arrange them, right, is equal to 7 into 6 into 5. Got it, everyone? Right? 210, yes. So what is this? It is selecting 3 books out of 7 books and then arranging them. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Right? Now think about it. Think about it, right? We have 5 into 6 into 7. Okay? Now how can you convert into factorial? Tell me. If I have to convert this into 7 factorial, what we have to do? Tell me. Everyone tell me what we have to do. If we have to convert it into factorial, what we have to do? Think about it. Yes, very good, everyone. Very good. Right? So I have to multiply and divide. I have to multiply and divide by 4 factorial. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? So it will become this, right? Anyone have any issue till this step? Tell me. Anyone have any issue till this step? No? Okay, but what we have 7 books and 3 shelf. 3 shelf. So we have 7 as total elements and 3 its number of ways. Okay, so how can I convert this into this 7 and 3? So can I write like this 7 factorial by, can we write 7 as 4, sorry, 4 as 7 minus 3 factorial? Tell me. Can I write like this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Think about it, right? Think about it. And you must be asking, sir, why we are doing this? Because we have 7 books and 3 shelf. So I want to write in terms of that. Okay. So if you think about this, if you think about this expression, what it is, this is total number of elements, which is n factorial, divided by, this is total number, which is n, minus, this is number of ways it has to be arranged, right? Sorry, it has to be selected, which is r. This is the whole factorial. Tell me, did you get a formula here? Did you get a formula over here? What is the meaning of this? It is, right, selecting and arranging R elements out of n elements. Yes, everyone, tell me yes. And this is actually called as permutation. NPR, permutation. Okay, got it? Anyone have any issues? Tell me, anyone have any issues? Think about it. If you have any issues, please let me know. No issues? Right? Got it? Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. Right? Very good. So, what is the definition of permutation? So, permutation is the arrangement in a definite order of number of objects that is taken either some or all at a time. Okay, right? So, this is first that we have studied. What's the meaning of NPR? Okay, I've studied what is factorial, everything. Now tell me, think about it. What is factorial 0? Factorial 0 is equal to what?
1.
Tell me, factorial 0 is equal to what?
1.
1, yes. Because factorial gives us number of ways. It gives us number of ways, right? And factorial 0 means, right, number of ways of selecting nothing. Okay, number of ways of selecting nothing. So there's only one way which you can select nothing, right? Got it? Right, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now try for. I hope all of you can solve this. Yes or no? I hope all of you can solve this and this. Try solving second one, 6th second. Everyone, try solving 6th second. Try solving 6th second. Think about it, everyone. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. So what you did, 12 factorial can be written as 10 factorial into 11 into 12. Yes or no? Thereby 10 factorial into 2 factorial is nothing but 2. Cancel. Then 6, 66. I hope you didn't calculate everything and then cut it. It's easy. Got it? Now calculate this one. Everyone calculate this one. Calculate example 7. Find the value. Kushagra, find the value. Yes, very good. Yes, the answer is 10. The answer is 10. Very good, everyone. Now try finding this one. Find the value of x. Question number 8. Find the value of x. Yes. So what we have to do here, how we have to solve this? First of all, think about this, right? Out of these, which is your smallest? Which is your smallest? 8 factorial is smallest. So convert everything into 8 factorial and then cancel it. Okay, right? Very good, everyone. Yes, very good. Okay, so I hope everyone got this. Tell me, I hope everyone got this, right? Basic concept of factorial. Okay, so we have discussed this, derivation of this. Okay, now tell me. Okay, tell me. I'm having your question, right? Suppose you have to Find the number of ways, find the number of ways in which 10 MCQ questions can be answered, right? Okay, we have 4 options. MCQ have 4 options. Then tell me how many ways, okay, in how many ways it can be answered. Think about it and let me know. No, Ananya, think about it, right? That's the thing, right? Think about it. Yes, Suhan, very good. Correct answer, Suhan. Yes. See, the answer is just think about it, right? Just think about it. Okay, now ask yourself, suppose we have a question having 4 options. So for question number one, how many options do we have? Tell me. For question number one, how many options can you have? Think about it. See, Ananya, the question is in how many ways you can answer. It's not about correct or wrong. Okay, the question is in how many ways it can be answered. It is not about right or wrong. Okay. So question one have only 4 options. Now 4 options, 4 ways. A, B, C, D. You can have any one answer. A, B, C, D. Right? Got it? Yes or no? Think about it. Yes or no? Okay. Now for question number 2, how many options? Again 4. Yes. Question number 3. 4. Question number 4. 4. So dot till question number 10. It is 4. Now you have to answer question number 1 and question number 2 and question number 3, right? So tell me, what will happen? Will they be multiplied? So 4 into 4 into 4, how many times? 10 times? Okay, so the answer is 4 to power 10. Answer. Okay, everyone, got it? Right? Yes? Okay, everyone, right? So I will just close this concept till here only. Okay.